Today, we'll be diving into the hidden and terrifying world of Antarctica, a place full of unsolved mysteries that continue to baffle scientists. From ancient ice cubes that could transport us through time to secret rivers lying deep beneath layers of ice, Antarctica holds secrets that are millions of years old. Let's uncover them together in today's video. Antarctica, often referred to as the bottom of the world or the South Pole, is not just a frozen wilderness. Beneath the thick layers of ice, an entirely different world exists, filled with mysteries waiting to be discovered. But just how deep do these secrets go? Did you know that the ice sheets here have been measured at depths of up to 4.7 kilometers? To put that into perspective, you could stack 5 Burj Khalifas on top of one another and still not reach the bottom. It's a land of extremes, but it's also a place where some of the world's most astonishing discoveries have been made. Let's start with something mind-boggling: life beneath the ice. In 2022, researchers using satellite imagery noticed a strange mark on Antarctica's Larsen B ice shelf. This crack, visible only after 2021, led scientists to investigate further. They drilled 500 meters deep into the ice, sending a camera into the depths. What they found was astounding: a hidden river flowing under the ice shelf. Even more shocking, they discovered a large population of creatures known as amphipods, shrimp-like organisms, in the river. But how did these creatures survive in such a remote and dark environment? Scientists believe that amphipods survive by feeding on decomposed plants in the water. This suggests that, long ago, plants may have thrived in this area, contributing to the creation of an entire ecosystem beneath the ice. Speaking of Antarctica's mysteries, did you know that one of the deepest points in the world's oceans is found here? The Challenger Deep is the world's deepest oceanic point, but Antarctica holds its own surprises. A lesser-known deep, the Factorial Deep, was discovered in 2019, sitting at a depth of 7,437 meters. This deep was detected using sonar scanning, yet scientists still don't know exactly how it formed or what connections it shares with the surrounding ocean floor. The Antarctic Southern Ocean hides secrets beneath its frozen waters. What could be lurking down there, waiting to be uncovered? Now, let's move on to something even more mysterious. In 2022, passengers aboard a cruise ship passing through Antarctica witnessed an enormous jellyfish, one measuring an astonishing 33 feet in length. Known as the giant phantom jellyfish, these creatures usually reside in the deep ocean at depths of around 3,500 feet. But this one was spotted at the surface. Why is a jellyfish that deep dwelling in the shallow waters of Antarctica? Scientists are still puzzled by this rare occurrence, which challenges our understanding of marine life in such extreme conditions. Let's go back in time to explore something even more incredible. In 2009, scientists discovered evidence of an ancient rainforest buried deep beneath the Antarctic ice. This rainforest dates back around 90 million years to a time when Antarctica had a much warmer climate, covered in lush green forests rather than ice. Fossils of trees, pollen, and roots have been found preserved in the ice, offering a glimpse into a time when Antarctica was home to a thriving ecosystem. Radiocarbon dating reveals that these forests existed during the Cretaceous period, when higher levels of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere caused a much warmer climate. In fact, ancient coal found in the region further supports the idea that the Antarctic rainforest persisted for millions of years before turning into the frozen wasteland we know today. Antarctica is not just home to ancient life, it's also where we find meteorites from outer space. Researchers have found countless meteorites in Antarctica, many of which came from our neighboring planet, Mars. One of the most famous is meteorite ALH 8400, the oldest object found in our solar system, dating back 4.5 billion years. In 1996, scientists announced that they had discovered microfossils within a Martian meteorite, suggesting that life might have once existed on Mars. This discovery has sparked countless studies on the potential for life on other planets, and Antarctica has become a key point in understanding the history of our solar system. How do scientists know what Earth's atmosphere was like thousands or even millions of years ago? The answer lies in the ancient ice cubes found in Antarctica. These cubes contain air bubbles that have been trapped for thousands, even millions, of years. By extracting these ice cubes and studying the gases preserved within, scientists have been able to reconstruct the atmospheric conditions of past eras. These ice cubes allow scientists to predict future climate changes and study patterns of global weather. For instance, by analyzing the layers of ice, scientists can predict when future storms or floods might occur based on historical patterns. Finally, we reach one of Antarctica's greatest geological mysteries, the Gamburtsev mountain range. Discovered in 1950, this range of mountains stretches over 1,200 kilometers, with peaks rising as high as 3,000 meters. What's extraordinary about these mountains is that they're buried under several kilometers of ice, and scientists are still unsure how they formed. Unlike most mountain ranges, which form due to tectonic activity, these mountains appear to have formed because of volcanic activity beneath the ice. However, there is no concrete evidence to confirm this theory, leaving scientists to puzzle over how such a massive range came to exist in Antarctica. As you can see, Antarctica is not just a desolate ice desert. It's a place where mysteries continue to unfold, offering a window into our planet's past and the secrets of the universe. From hidden rivers beneath the ice to ancient rainforests and meteorites from Mars, Antarctica holds answers to questions we didn't even know we had. If you found this video intriguing, don't forget to like and share it with your friends. And leave your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear what you think about these mind-blowing discoveries. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.